If you're watching this video, stay with me until the very end, because today we are going to explore 4 of the best vitamins that can truly strengthen your muscles and transform the way your body recovers and performs. Many people eat daily without realizing that some foods quietly weaken muscle efficiency, while others provide the precise nutrients the body needs to repair, adapt, and grow stronger. Muscles are not just shaped in the gym, they are shaped at a cellular level through the nutrients that guide energy production, repair damaged fibers, and regulate the delicate balance between stress and recovery. Vitamins, though required in small amounts, act as powerful regulators of these processes, influencing how muscles contract, recover, and sustain strength over time. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a deeply influential role in muscle strength and function, acting as a quiet regulator of processes that determine how effectively muscles contract, recover, and adapt to stress. One of its most important functions is supporting the absorption of calcium, a mineral that is essential not only for bone strength, but also for muscle contraction itself. Every time a muscle fiber contracts, calcium ions are released within the cell, triggering the precise interaction between proteins that generate force. Without sufficient vitamin D, this process becomes less efficient, leading to reduced strength, slower, and a feeling of fatigue that can limit both performance and endurance. Beyond calcium regulation, vitamin D directly affects muscle cells at a structural and functional level. It interacts with specific receptors in muscle tissue, influencing protein synthesis and the growth of muscle fibers. This means that vitamin D is not only supporting movement, but also contributing to the development and maintenance of muscle mass over time. Individuals with adequate levels often experience better muscle tone, improved coordination, and greater resilience to physical stress, highlighting how micronutrients can shape the body's ability to perform and recover. Vitamin D also plays a role in neuromuscular communication, ensuring that signals from the nervous system reach muscle fibers accurately and efficiently. This coordination is essential for balance, strength, and controlled movement, especially during complex or high-intensity activities. At the same time, vitamin D supports immune function and reduces inflammation, both of which are critical for recovery after exercise. Exposure to sunlight allows the body to naturally produce vitamin D, while certain foods and supplements can help maintain optimal levels. Incorporating this nutrient into daily life is not simply about preventing deficiency, but about optimizing the body's ability to move, adapt, and grow stronger. It demonstrates how a single vitamin can influence multiple layers of muscular health, quietly shaping the strength, efficiency, and resilience of the human body. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a vital and multifaceted role in muscle repair, acting as both a protector and a builder within the body's recovery process. When muscles are used during physical activity, especially under strain or resistance, microscopic damage occurs within the fibers. This is a natural signal for growth, yet the body must repair this damage efficiently to restore strength and improve resilience. Vitamin C supports this process by contributing to the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that forms the foundation of connective tissues surrounding muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Without adequate collagen production, the repair process becomes weaker and less coordinated, increasing the risk of injury and slowing down recovery. At the same time, vitamin C functions as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals generated during energy production. These free radicals, if left unchecked, can damage muscle cells, disrupt cellular function, and prolong soreness after exercise. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C creates a more stable, internal environment where muscle fibers can repair themselves without unnecessary interference. This protective role is essential for maintaining both short-term recovery and long-term muscular health. Vitamin C also supports the immune system, which plays an indirect but important role in muscle recovery. After intense exercise, the body experiences a temporary state of stress, and a strong immune response helps manage inflammation and promotes healing. Additionally, Vitamin C enhances the absorption of iron, a mineral necessary for oxygen transport to muscles. Improved oxygen delivery ensures that muscles receive the energy required for sustained activity and efficient recovery. Incorporating vitamin C into daily nutrition, whether through fruits, vegetables, or supplementation, strengthens the body's ability to repair and protect muscle tissue. It reflects a deeper biological truth that recovery is not simply a passive process, but an active, nutrient-driven interaction where protection, rebuilding, and adaptation occur simultaneously, allowing muscles to emerge stronger, more resilient, and better prepared for future demands. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a central role in the quiet but essential processes that sustain muscle function, particularly through its influence on energy production and the nervous system. Muscles rely on a continuous supply of energy to contract, relax, and maintain endurance. And this energy is generated through complex metabolic pathways that depend on B12 as a key cofactor. It helps convert the food we consume into usable energy at a cellular level, ensuring that muscles are not only fueled, but also able to perform efficiently without early fatigue. When B12 levels are insufficient, this energy conversion becomes less effective, leading to weakness, reduced stamina, and a slower response to physical effort. Beyond energy metabolism, vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of nerve cells, which are responsible for transmitting signals from the brain to the muscles. Every movement, from the simplest gesture to the most demanding physical activity, depends on precise communication between the nervous system and muscle fibers. B12 supports the integrity of this communication by helping maintain the protective covering of nerves, allowing signals to travel quickly and accurately. When this system functions well, muscles respond with coordination, strength, and control, reflecting the deep connection between neurological health and physical performance. Vitamin B12 also contributes to the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Oxygen is fundamental for muscle activity, as it fuels the production of energy within cells. Adequate oxygen delivery allows muscles to sustain effort over time and recover more effectively after exertion. Without sufficient B12, oxygen transport can become compromised, leading to fatigue and reduced endurance. Incorporating vitamin B12 into daily nutrition supports these interconnected systems, ensuring that energy production, nerve signaling, and oxygen delivery work in harmony. It highlights how muscle strength is not only about physical training, but also about maintaining the internal systems that power movement, demonstrating that true performance emerges from the coordination of energy, communication, and cellular function. Number 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E plays a protective and stabilizing role in muscle health, acting as a powerful antioxidant that safeguards muscle cells from the stress generated during physical activity. When muscles work, especially during intense or prolonged exercise, the body increases its rate of energy production, and this naturally leads to the formation of free radicals. While these molecules are a normal part of metabolism, an excess can damage cell membranes, disrupt cellular balance, and slow the recovery process. Vitamin E helps neutralize these free radicals, preserving the integrity of muscle cells and allowing them to function and repair without unnecessary interference. At the cellular level, vitamin E is particularly important because it is fat-soluble, which allows it to integrate into the lipid layers of cell membranes. These membranes act as protective barriers, maintaining the internal environment of muscle cells and supporting the exchange of nutrients and waste products. By stabilizing these structures, vitamin E ensures that muscle cells remain resilient under stress, reducing the risk of damage during repeated contraction and exertion. This highlights how strength is not only about the ability to generate force, but also about maintaining the structures that support that force over time. Vitamin E also contributes to improved circulation, supporting the efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissues. Proper circulation ensures that muscles receive what they need to perform and recover, while metabolic byproducts are removed effectively. This continuous exchange is essential for reducing fatigue and supporting endurance during physical activity. In addition, Vitamin E works in harmony with other antioxidants within the body, creating a network of protection that supports recovery and long-term muscle health. By including vitamin E in daily nutrition through balanced dietary choices, the body is better equipped to handle physical stress and maintain cellular stability. It reflects the deeper principle that protection and recovery are inseparable from performance, and that lasting strength depends on the body's ability to defend and restore itself at the most fundamental level.